To set your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra to display pop-up notification for longer, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap advanced setting. Under notification section, tap time to take action. This option is set to default, which is about 4 seconds. Thus, to make your phone display on-screen notification longer, you have to choose a longer duration. You can choose from 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, or 2 minutes. As the example, we will select 10 seconds. By doing this, now each time you receive pop-up notification or on-screen notification, your phone will display the pop-up for 10 seconds. Given to the function, you can choose a longer duration if you find that the default duration is not enough for you to take the action for the pop-up. As the example, to read the message and reply it. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.